Welcome to the BioSkin store. Today we're going to be talking about the STO, which stands for Subtalar Orthosis. So this product is an ankle brace that doesn't have any laces and provides really good opportunity for patients to get an easy brace that bills as a 1902. So this is a medical only product. And I want to walk through some of the features of this product so that you can get this on your patients if this is the right thing for you. So it pulls on just like a sleeve, like a sock, and has a tongue that you just tuck in. This top strap keeps the brace in place. And the forefoot has a tensioning device so that you can get it just the right tension for different widths of foot. So if it's a little smaller or a little bit larger foot, you can give it a little bit more or less tension. So this gives you a better sizing range, even within like a medium or a large or a small, to really get the fit just right. After that, it's really just two figure-8 straps that go around each side to stabilize the medial and lateral side of the foot. This helps with peroneal tendons or lateral or medial ankle ligament injuries. This also can be used to suspend and support the plantar fascia or the post-tib. So it's a very versatile brace, no laces that get in the way, and when people have dexterity issues or they have eyesight issues, they don't have to worry about any of that. It's really just a two quick figure-8, and then at the very end, you wrap around the top to keep it all in place. Really sleek product. Let me show you another few features that help differentiate this brace. STO has very lightweight material. The reason we call it the STO is because of your ability to control the subtalar joint. So you can apply some nice directional force to the calcaneus on the medial side or on the lateral side, so you can control that subtalar joint really well. This is different than the Trilock brace that some of you know that also has a midfoot wrap where you can control the midfoot. So this very specifically targets and focuses on the hind foot, the rear foot, and the subtalar joint. One of the issues that we see in some products is that for patients with larger calves, especially down at the ankle, is they can't get the top strap all the way through. So this has a little bit more length than the typical ankle brace, but it can be trimmed. We have an alligator strap design where you can just trim the strap, get it to the exact right length for that patient, and then no matter what patient you're working with, it's going to be perfectly designed and you can get it right at the right spot. So the STO is a very value-oriented product, and it's a great replacement for any lace-up brace that you use, especially if you're looking for something simple and comfortable your patients will really wear. This is the STO from BioSkin.